Playdates, fun way to learn and socialize. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where learning English is both fun and engaging. Today, we have a very interesting topic to cover: the phrase, playdate. This is a term you might have heard often, especially if you interact with children or parents. But what does it mean, and how do you use it? Let's dive into the playful world of playdates and explore how this phrase is a part of everyday English. A playdate is a term commonly used in American English, referring to an arranged appointment for children to play together. Think of it as a social appointment for kids, where they get to interact, play games, and sometimes share snacks or meals. It's not just about fun, though. Playdates are crucial for children's social development. They learn to share, cooperate, and solve problems together. And guess what? While kids play, parents or guardians also get the chance to socialize and network. The concept of a playdate has been around for quite some time. It started gaining popularity in the 1970s and 1980s as more families had both parents working. Organizing playdates became a way to schedule time for children to play together deliberately. It reflects the busy lifestyle of modern families, where such interactions need to be planned in advance. Now, let's get practical. How do you use playdate in everyday conversation? Here are some examples. My daughter has a playdate with her friend from school this Saturday. Can we arrange a playdate for our kids? They met during a playdate at the park. Notice how the phrase is used as a noun. It's an event, much like an appointment or a meeting, but for children to play. Planning a successful playdate can be an art. Here are some quick tips. 1. Set clear start and end times. It helps in managing the day effectively. 2. Plan activities. Have some games or activities ready to keep the kids engaged. 3. Be mindful of food allergies. Always check with parents about any dietary restrictions. 4. Safety first. Ensure the play area is safe and kids are within sight. It's fascinating to note that the concept of playdates might differ around the world. In some cultures, informal playing among neighborhood kids is more common, without the need for a formal arrangement. However, the term playdate is becoming more global as cultures adopt American parenting styles and as English terms become more widespread. I hope this video has been informative and that you now feel comfortable with the concept and usage of playdate. Whether you're a parent, a teacher, or just an English enthusiast, understanding such phrases can help you connect with others and appreciate the nuances of the language. Keep practicing, and remember, learning English is just like a playdate. It's all about having fun while you learn. See you in the next video.